can't I see the lightning on my video? That's just weird. Lightning on this. Oh my god. Oh, the rain is coming back now. It's getting harder. Kind of. I need a chair. Ooh. Carlos? I know. Well, I don't know, because hold up, right? Hello? No, it's going crazy, Mom. Yeah, everything's okay, it's just the basement's flooded. Alright. I don't know, I didn't check it, Mom. I just checked the first time the storm started happening, Mom. Alright. I ain't going down there getting wet. Mom, it's dirty water. Ooh, look at all that. Ah! She went to his Cloverfield. Yeah, but oh, you're gonna get mad. He said he's only gonna install the DVR and that's it. He ain't here for fixing the cable. He didn't do it. It was. Oh, because the maid's like he went upstairs to the maid's house and installed the DVR and that's all. But there's no cable on the DVR either. Alright. Yeah. I heard that Samantha's mom, like the tornado hit Samantha's mom and like her auntie, Millie, whatever, hit them too. Bridgeport. Tornado hit Bridgeport right next to her mom. Alright. I know everything's off. Yeah, I know everything's off. Alright. Alright. Hello? What happened? What did you say before when I went out of line? Oh, because it was my mom. Dude, did you hear that big hit, right? I got it on video. I jumped. Ooh, look at that flash. Where are you, in your room? Where's your mom and everyone? They're like, forget it, we're out. Alright. Like 8:35. Alright. my god.
No, man, come on.
What?
Get the air conditioner.
Oh yeah. What my room? More cooler. Should have closed the other door and that's what I should have done. Should have done it.